Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Said I've been for Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married long time ago.
Oh no. Oh no.
This is an instructional video on how to do the lap dance. You will need to stretch. This dance requires a lot of booty shaking.
Oh, no way. Give me this. No.